Yeah, we're recording the sewer line here at 313 Martin Luther King Jr. Way, Seattle, Washington. The date is Monday, August 6, 2018. Excuse the noise, we got a construction site going on around us. What you're looking at here is the Seattle City main. We're 90 some odd feet out of the sewer line. I'm going through the clean out in what used to be the basement of this house. Right now the house is lifted up on blocks. There's a clean out though exposed down here, an old cast iron one. So that's what we're going through. You're looking at the Seattle City main, and we're going to pull back on the camera. We're in 6-inch clay pipe right now. There's the tap to the city. This is 6-inch clay. Some roots coming in there. There's the transition into 4-inch. So there's 6-inch coming back into 4-inch clay now. This is 4-inch clay. There's a turn right there. That's just a turn in the pipe. It's dropping pretty significantly too. Good grade. That's a section of plastic. So at some point, somebody repaired that turn. Replace that section with plastic pipe. Lever back in the old cast iron now. What was under the house. Okay. So at the beginning of the video when I said we were 90 some odd feet, I overshot it by about 10-12 feet. So we're about 78 feet out to the main. There's my camera and monitor. Here's the clean out we're going through. There's the old cap. And if you look around, see, we got a construction site going, and that is the sewer recording. Signing out.